we go. Strider 790. Okay, I'm pretty sure you're going to have issues like that. So I use my GPS same way. I use the rock form mount. Make sure you guys grab one. I love having my GPS just kind of sitting there. I don't like satellite mode. I like the normal mode, but it lets me know what's happening, where I need to go. Here we go. Getting a good position, but we're going to probably low side. Oh, lost a little traction. Almost low sided. Are we going to hit the... Oh, saved it. So we lost traction. It's starting to gain traction, but it wants to stand up. And we're slowing it down as best we can. Hopefully we don't hit the side. Got very lucky. Very, very lucky. Madden going through a roundabout right here. Okay, so we're going to have a little bit of fun right here. Watch out for that crack. Road surface hazards. I believe that's in Unit 1 on our Academy course that we talk about. You got to watch out for that. Uneven surfaces. That's a bad one, a little crack. Let's take a quick look at what happened there. Okay, so we're doing the normal thing, not a big deal. Look at that. Tires are right on it. Try to avoid it. Try to avoid it a little bit better. Okay, get off to the sides. He's probably looking like over here, which is what you're supposed to do, right? You're supposed to look where you want to go. The big problem with this, when we're looking over here, okay, and we're doing this, what I want you to do is look over here, look right here. 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 You're constantly looking over here and back and forth, scanning for road hazards. You're constantly going boom, 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 boom with your eyeballs around that corner. You gotta watch out for that stuff. You want to plan your ride. Locate this hazard right here. Locate it and adapt to it by moving over just a little bit. That's all you have to do. Here we go, going through here. Ooh, a little bit of a panic, but you know, saw it ahead of time, planned his ride. Okay, we panicked though. We panicked. It's not a big deal, but he still did a good job. Saw the side of the vehicle. Legendary Anubis once again going through here. Oh, keep your feet up. Keep your feet up. Okay, we're not Flintstoning it. Hey, saw the hazard, moved out of the way. Whoa, we're going backwards now. Interesting. Very cool. Interesting. Maybe that was his turn. Who knows? 93 J-Mac. Do your U-turns. Practice your U-turns, baby. You got it. Don't start straightening it up.
And only $20 for unlimited monthly plan.
Unlimited monthly plan. All right, so when it comes to a street like this is probably about 20 to 30 feet. More than likely, you can tell by the car, it's probably like a 30-foot road. Easily. 30-foot road. Now, you could do this in our basic training course and our Smart Rider drill booklet. This one's all torn up. This is my personal copy. We have the diagram right here. So this is the same setup and dimensions, and it's 40 by 60. So more than likely, this road right here is about 30, 35. So it's not going to be the exact dimensions that you need for the drills, but everything that you do in the drills is going to be anywhere between 10 to 25, even 30 foot U-turns. So if you practice these drills, this right here is easy. This right here is easy. You need to practice your U-turns, everybody. This is the real life example of why U-turns are important. You need to be able to do a U-turn within the road. Now, you could do a 3-point turn. Sure, go ahead. But that's very dangerous for motorcyclists, and you got to put your feet down and actually pedal backwards. So practice your U-turns. Practice, practice, practice. Now, if we're going to get to this point where you're like, oh, crap, I'm not going to be able to make it, what you need to do, instead of just trying to ride this line, which is what he did, which caused him to actually fall over because it's an uneven surface, is that if you're going to do this, like, oh, crap, I can't do it, purposely get off. Like, go across like you mean it, and then go back across like you mean it. This looks like it's hard packed. You could do that. You could do that. So at this point, it's like, oh, I'm going off. That's fine. And now that I'm straight, I'm going to go back on as sharply, as perpendicular as possible. Don't try to ride that line. It's not good. That could easily crush your foot.
Oh!
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh my, oh! Dude.
Why'd you go?
Oh, shit.
What's happening? Why'd you go?
DHK08.
And that's all you have to do. This is exact. If you saw a friend crash because somebody hit them and they did a hit and run, catch up, say it out loud. You have your camera going. Say it out loud. So now you have visual and audio. Let's say the visual is too blurry. You can't see, you can't make it out, but you said it in audio. That's all you need. That person's getting in trouble. Okay, if this is a registered vehicle, woo-wee, the cops are gonna find them. So let's go back. I don't know if they're gonna be chasing them down or not. I don't care about that.
Monthly plan, but right now get 50% off.
All right, so right here we got a red light. We can probably turn on a red light, not a big deal. But what do we do here? We decided to go. It's a red light. It's a yellow light for this car driver. It's a yellow light. So that person tried to run the yellow.
Oh my God. Oh my.
So the person at fault actually here is that motorcycle rider. The person at fault is the motorcycle rider. This car driver made it through the intersection while it was still yellow. While it's still yellow. Already on the other side and it's still yellow. And this motorcycle rider went on a red.
Oh.
Now running away
Dude.
is not good. Shouldn't have done that.
DHK08.
The bike was at fault, but this person's probably freaking out.
As you can
Pegasus Motorcycle Tours and Consulting.
one of the corners
Whoa.
comes fast enough to
Yeah.
leave the ground, do a little jump.
Good swerve. That was barely a swerve. That was like an adaptation. This person knows what they're doing. They were calm, collected, just kind of moved over. Did a great job. Oh, we got another one.
You and your buddy, man, are you with him? Yeah. He's fucking flying. You guys are gonna get us killed, man.
Sorry about that, man.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, well,
Past this vehicle, I had enough room to avoid a collision. I put my visor down
yeah.
to basically prevent all the dust that vehicle picked up to get into my face.
Great after action review.
Open when I ride. I do have eye protection in the form of glasses, but
Wow. Great after action review. Who is this? Pegasus Motorcycle Tours and Consulting. Guys, check them out. Check them out. This is if you're gonna have somebody helping you out when it comes to off-roading and stuff, this seems like a smart rider. Okay, acquire and utilize personal protective equipment, all that other stuff. But doing an after action review, very good. Very good.
to basically